everyone. I'm Miss Dawn, your friendly and trusted junior project sales consultant of Felling Land Incorporated. I am offering to you our Centro Special, which is located in Bolton Extension, Davao City, and it is a central business district. So, andito na lahat, mga ma'am and sir, kasi walking distance lang yung munisipyo at ang lahat ng mga establishments, schools, church, shopping mall, andyan na po lahat. Then, we have a pre-selling and the ready for occupancy. So, ang reservation fee po natin ay 20,000 only. And we have 48 months for down payment at meron tayong studio type which has 19 square meter and the 2-bedroom unit is 32 square meter. So, ayan mga ma'am and sirs, if you are interested to know more, ayan, PM nyo na lang ako o tawagan mo ako sa number na ito para matripin ko pa kayo at matignan natin yung location kasi we're paying the location at napakaganda po talaga ng location natin. Ito ay mid-rise condominium. Alam naman natin na pag Tatak Invest, quality guaranteed po ito. So, ayan mga ma'am and sir. See you for tripping. Thank you for watching.